What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This one I thought I'd make because I have a friend in town and he was looking for an apartment, and I thought, what a great time to make a video showing you guys some of the apartments around here. Again, these all range between $120 all the way up to $300. 3 different apartments we went and looked at, and hopefully you'll get an idea of the kind of things you can get around here for that kind of money. We will be getting back out, of course, finishing up Khmer New Year tonight. We'll take a video there, but I thought I'd get this one out to you guys just because circumstances happened. He showed up during the Khmer New Year, so we had to quickly find him an apartment due to some issues he had with his hotel. Being Khmer New Year, a lot of places are booked full. Gets kind of crazy here, kind of filled with tourists. In fact, I read today that there were 880,000 tourists, both local and foreign, coming to the cities for the Khmer New Year. So that was absolutely great. So far it's been fun. Had a great time in the village. And like I said, we're going to downtown by the river to show you the final day of my New Year later. That video will be up in a while. But keep in mind that if you want to receive all my exclusive videos and my supporter only Khmer New Year videos and my weekly supporter only videos, you can do so by donating down below. I love my supporters. I really appreciate each and every donation I get. And you can do so through PayPal, Ko-Fi.com, or you can join my Patreon, and you'll receive all that along with copies of my books and other things as they become available. My way of saying thank you. So be sure to check out those links. And now let's look at some of these apartments. Alright guys, we're looking at the first apartment there for Mr. Kelly, Autumn in Asia. And this is a nice big apartment. Look at that wardrobe. Got a nice desk. This is the bedroom here. Aircon, of course. Nice big bed. This is a separate bedroom. And then we go here. Have a couch, a couple chairs, and a table. There's a mattress there, but that's only because for my New Year, they're renting it out for visitors. And then afterwards, it's available for monthly. But it's got a TV, nice little bar there. And of course, another aircon, ceiling fan. Then we come into the kitchen. Look at this big old kitchen. This thing is big. So we got some furniture and some cooking things going on there. Nice big double burner. Sink, of course. And this is this apartment is $300 for 1 month. And nice bathroom. There I am. And you get something you don't see a lot here, and that is the tub in the bathroom. So you don't have to shower and get the floor all wet every time. Yeah, this is right over here on Street 20, right off Walpole Road a little ways, over in the area where I used to live. And it's a nice apartment. It's nice, it's big, it's only $300 a month. So even if Kelly doesn't want it, anybody's coming over and needs a place to stay, let me know, I'll hook you up with this one. It's a nice place.
Yeah, it's a nice place.
Yeah. Alright, on to the next. Hey, apartment number 2. We have a good view of the road down there. Again, a nice big beautiful bed. Nice big wardrobe. And of course the aircon. And here's what I like about this one. Not only is this bed huge and very comfortable, but you got the little sink on the outside here, and there's the bathtub. So you're kind of away from the toilet where you do all your nasty business. And you got a nice big bathtub. And you can still look out in your apartment if you want to. Up to you. Nice big ceiling fan too. I love those kind of ceiling fans. Then you got the dining kitchen area, I guess. Get the furniture there. A lot of space above and below. Nice big sink. And this one is $200 for 1 month. So we had one for $300, and then this one is $200. All right, we do have one more to look at in the same apartment with the aircon. And here you get a nice nature view out the window. Again, the nice big bed. Nice big wardrobe, and look at this coming around here. Woo! Nice little alcove to eat. And you can't see, but there's the kitchen and the bathroom. Anyway, this one's only $120 in the same building as the one we just looked at. It's over here by Charles de Gaulle Avenue. Not on Charles de Gaulle, but close to it. And this is on the upper floor. Not all the way to the top, just a few short series of steps. But they're not those big, steep steps like some apartments have. These ones are easily negotiated. And here's the little lobby area to the apartment. Yeah. You see that sign? You're in the right place. If you're looking. And there's the, it's right here, they got a little coffee stand in front of the building. And there's a gate to somewhere private in the back. It's a nice area. And just a few minutes away, and you can get anything you want in town, so you don't have to worry about living right in the city if you don't want. So yeah, pretty good.